Hey guys, this is Victoria. I'm the news editor at Birdie, and I'm really excited to share one of my favorite skincare rituals, which is called jade rolling. So right now, what's really new and now in beauty is this really cool merging of Eastern and Western culture, and that's seen in wellness, beauty, kind of all over. And it's really exciting that we're looking beyond our own borders at these techniques, which a lot of them are really ancient, and jade rolling is a really great example of that. This is a jade roller. It's made of jade stone, hence the name, and jade is used in ancient Chinese tradition to ward off negative energy, to balance your qi, and to just bring on some good vibes. So that's all really nice, but it has a really practical use as well, and that is basically to function as a facial massage tool. It stimulates collagen, it lifts your facial muscles, and then also it makes your products absorb really deeply. This jade roller is from Ling Skincare, and the founder and owner of Ling is Ling Chan, a really talented esthetician, and she once gave me a valuable piece of skincare advice, and that is to think of your skin cells like roof shingles. So if you look at a roof and the way that the shingles are layered, the opening is always at the bottom. And our skin cells are actually arranged in a very similar way. And that's really important to remember whether you're cleansing, applying product, or using a massage tool or just your hands, to always apply in an upward motion. And that's kind of the theme of jade rolling. It really does lift and use that upward motion, and so you're really hitting all of those skin cells, allowing whatever product you're using with it to absorb better. And you can use any product that you like. Usually it's a moisturizer. I like using a serum or a cream, and I have two wonderful ones with me today. The Kypris is a little less wallet friendly, but it's phenomenal. It's called Moonlight Catalyst. It's full of peptides. It's really wonderful for slathering on at night and waking up to really bright, refreshed skin. And then the other one is from one of my personal favorite brands, French Girl, and this is their brand new facial serum. It's made with neroli, which is like one of my favorite scents, so I love this one. I'm going to use the Kypris. You just apply a few drops of your preferred product. So you want to put on a really nice layer of that just to help the jade stone glide a little bit better on your skin. So then you just roll, and it's really simple. You just roll up. You just target every area of your face. Once you feel like you've kind of given yourself a boost, then proceed with your regular skincare routine, makeup routine, and you're good to go. I actually really love doing this first thing in the morning too, because the stone is really cool. So it's really good for puffy eyes or under eye bags. If you want to get more details on the background of jade rolling and what